The brain has evolved from the inside out. This is the point of embarkation for all our cosmic journeys, the cerebral cortex, where matter is transformed into consciousness. It's here that we have ideas and inspirations, here that we read and write, here that we do mathematics and music. The cortex regulates our conscious lives. It is the distinction of our species, the seat of our humanity. Art and science live here. Civilization is a product of the cerebral cortex. Inside the cerebral cortex is the microscopic structure of thought. The language of the brain is not the DNA language of the genes. What we know is encoded in cells called neurons, tiny switching elements, every connection representing one bit of information. How many neurons do each of us have? Maybe 100 billion, comparable to the number of stars in the Milky Way galaxy. And there are something like 100 trillion neural connections. The neurons store sounds, too, and snatches of music. Whole orchestras play inside our heads. The world of thought is roughly divided into two hemispheres. Over there is the right hemisphere of the cerebral cortex. It's mainly responsible for pattern recognition, intuition, sensitivity, creative insights. And over here is the left hemisphere, presiding over rational, analytic, and critical thinking. The brain is a very big place in a very small space. The brain does much more than just recollect. It intercompares, it synthesizes, it analyzes, it generates abstractions. The cerebral cortex is, in a way, a liberation. We need no longer be trapped in the genetically inherited behavior patterns of lizards and baboons, territoriality and oppression, dominance hierarchies. We are, each of us, largely responsible for what gets put into our brains, for what, as adults, we wind up caring for and knowing about. No longer at the mercy of the reptile brain, we can change ourselves. Think of the possibilities.